So let's just talk about useEffect hook in React. So the useEffect hook is used for managing side effects in a functional component. Some of the common side effects are updating the DOM, or also it can be used to fetch data from API, and also we can use it to set up subscription or the timers. So previously in class components, to manage the side effects, we had to use the lifecycle methods like component did mount, component did update, and also we have component will unmount. So the component did mount will only execute in the mounting phase, and whenever there is a update, then the component did update will be executed, and whenever the component unmounts, then the component will unmount will execute. So we have three different methods that often leads to duplicate code. Like in example, suppose we wanted to execute a code in the mounting phase, so we have to write that piece of code here in the component did mount, and also if we wanted to execute that code on an update also, so we have to write the same piece of code in the component did update method also. So you can see we have the code duplication here, and also because we have three different methods, so separating related logic into three different methods, which makes the code harder to maintain. Now with the use of the useEffect hook, which solves a lot of the problem. The useEffect hook simplifies the side effect management by allowing the developer to combine the related logic within a single function. So here, so the useEffect hook takes, first of all, it takes one function as a parameter. We generally pass one arrow function for this, and second parameter is one array of dependency. So in the arrow function, we can combine the related logic within a single function, and because of this we don't have to repeat the similar code multiple times. And by using the useEffect hook, we can handle the three lifecycle methods. So we can handle the component did mount, we can handle component did update, and also component will unmount. So the useEffect hook will always run on the first render, so that resembles the component did mount, and then we can use the dependency array, and whenever the dependency changes, then the code inside the useEffect will re-execute, which resembles component did update. Also we can return one cleanup, so we can return one cleanup function, and this will only execute whenever the component unmounts from the DOM, so that resembles the component will unmount. So we can basically handle three lifecycle stages in just one useEffect hook. So the useEffect provides a cleaner and more consolidated way to manage the side effect in a functional component. So that's why useEffect is the mostly preferred way to handle side effects in a functional component. So in the next video, we're gonna dive deeper into this useEffect hook. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.